Hi everyone, Jared here. Going to jump into a new Bitfineon developer vlog here in a moment. Today's date is May 8th, 2020. Before I get started, I just want to say I hope everyone is staying safe and staying healthy in light of all of the issues worldwide with the coronavirus. Again, hope you guys are all staying healthy and staying safe. Moving on to the Bitfineon developer update, you can see here we're starting off on the landing page, and that we have replaced the placeholder text, the lorem ipsum placeholder text, with actual web copy for Bitfineon. We've settled on the slogan, crypto trading has evolved. We think that that kind of sums up nicely our business model, gives us a place for our product and our ecosystem in the crypto industry. We believe that evolution is necessary to get um, to the end goal, which is mass adoption and the full legitimacy of crypto as the evolution, the next step of finance, right? So crypto trading has evolved. We feel sums up that sentiment nicely for what we're doing with Bitfineon. We've labeled the three panes to be innovate, support, and community. So in the first pane, we're talking about innovation in the first blurb. In the second blurb, we're talking about the products that we're offering. And the third blurb in this pane is about security. So innovation, we're talking about our best-in-class features, how we're streamlining the user experience for someone buying, selling, and trading crypto, right? With products, we're talking about the product roadmap, how we've developed it with forward-thinking principles, utilizing user feedback, tying all that together into providing you the best digital assets available to trade. And then security, talking about the hardened security measures we implement to safeguard your digital assets, that it is a core focus of our business model. And when the site is live, you'll be able to click there on the More button to read about how we protect you more in detail. Moving on to the middle pane here, which is support. You see the first blurb, tutorials. The second one is support, and the third one is promotions. Real quick, tutorials will be a video repository where you can go and watch short little videos about features and products to get up to speed quickly, right? Pictures worth 1,000 words. Video is just a great medium for everyone. And yeah, moving on to support. Support will be more of the text-based, like frequently asked questions, knowledge-based articles, that stuff. And then additionally, our live chat support and our email support. So that'll be a blurb where you can click more to learn about those services in detail. Promotions, a quick overview of how to earn with Bitfineon's promotions. Um, Speaking to our healthy referral commissions, the profit sharing with Alco, right, via the share pool. Alco is our native cryptocurrency, which you can learn all about at its website, which is alco, ALQO app. So alqo.app. And the share pool is a profit sharing rewards program that we offer in conjunction with our native cryptocurrency. And then lastly, reduced fees for volume traders. Moving on to the third pane here, which is a focus on community. We're talking about testimonials, news, and then obviously just our links for social media. Testimonials is going to be most likely a third-party platform like Trustpilot, where you can get, an unbiased view of people who've used the platform, what they think, and then you can make a decision for yourself, to try us out. News will be a focus on Bitfineon news and announcements, and also where you can catch up on the latest news in the crypto market provided by our partner CryptoMood, which CryptoMood is a sentiment or an AI powered sentiment and analysis product, and we've integrated fully with them via direct partnership. Yeah, so that's going to be something really cool, I think. And then finally, social media. You can follow us on Twitter, Facebook, Medium, Reddit. All the major social media accounts where you can keep up with our happenings. That's pretty much it. Just a quick demonstration of this user experience here. I really like the animation. I think the landing page for me is one of the coolest design elements. You know, People are going to land here. You need to make a good first impression. I like that it's different from all of the other exchanges. It doesn't just throw a bunch of esoteric, you know, data and graphs and stuff that no one really has any use for. I mean, maybe you have a use for like large cap graphs, but you can get to those very easily on our platform as well. We want to showcase what we think makes Bitfineon special, unique, different. And I think that does, I think we've done it well here with this setup. All right, moving on to trade platform. So the trade platform is pretty, from the last developer vlog is pretty much the same. Maybe we have an API endpoint turned off right now, so the order book isn't going to be active. Maybe it's my internet connection. Oops. One second. My my VPN actually just crapped out. Let me reconnect and we should be good to continue. All right, let me reload the page here. All right, here we go. So we're connected again, and you can see here that everything pretty much looks the same from the last developer vlog. One thing we did add was the tool tip here for order book depth, whether you're on the asks or the bids side. Here we're on the bid side, so you can see the average price. If you had multiple orders in, you would see, five, six, however many, right, in the depth, and you could just scroll down and you would get an average price to that depth, to that order in the depth of the book, the total Ethereum required, the total Bitcoin required. This is an ETH BTC pair, so you can see it displayed there. This is a feature that the community asked for, so we went ahead and implemented. I think it turned out really well. And then again, here's our partner Cryptomood with their widget fully integrated in. If this isn't something that you want to utilize, again, just go ahead and click the toggle button off, and now you have full view of the order book, the trades, your watch list, order form. Yeah, everything else here is pretty self-explanatory. We'll continue to iterate, add improvements, making everything just look more aesthetically pleasing up to launch and then through launch. We're going to take a lot of what you guys give us in the form of feedback and make improvements to the exchange, as we continue on. But yeah, I think that's mostly everything. We got some trading rules here. I think that may have been added in. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Moving on to the wallet page, which I think the wallet page is where most of the real work has happened for this vlog, and you can see here that the wallet page is pretty much completed. If you want to take a look at the previous developer vlogs, you can get up to speed on the process of getting to this stage with development, and I go into depth in each one at length for each different feature. I'm not going to do that in this one. I kind of want to try and keep this condensed a little bit and yeah, get to it. So deposit here, you can see the deposit modal for Bitcoin. Modal just meaning pop-up. You want to copy the Bitcoin address to make a deposit. You do that. Pretty self-explanatory, very easy, very quick, seamless. You want to make Bitcoin deposit. This will be the modal here. You enter in your address. If you have some Bitcoin you want to transfer here. Okay. What's going on here? Let me try. Okay. Service charge, balance. Service charge just being the fee. Balance here after the withdrawal and total received or total withdrawn. Click continue and you'll get a confirmation pop up where you will enter your 2FA. You'll click confirm and then the process will complete. Very easy, very seamless. The transaction will then pop up here in under the transactions section. Moving on to fiat. So if you've been following us on any of our social media platforms or are a member in our community, in our Discord community or Telegram group, you'll know that we recently announced a partnership with Banxa, which is a third-party fiat on-ramp for crypto. So you'll be able to buy directly with credit card, debit card, bank transfer. Several different e-wallet options are available through Banxa, and they're adding more and more. So we've directly integrated them in to the exchange. So if you want to buy with USD, there's quite a few other options here, right? You want to do Euro, you want to buy, let's say you want to buy $500 worth of Bitcoin. You're going to get your price here, total, including fees, 500, receiving 0.0533 BTC. This disclaimer obviously will be updated with actual legalese text. You'll click I have read and accept the disclaimer. You'll click continue. It'll take you to another pop-up where you complete the process. And yeah, it's all very seamless, very easy, but really excited about that. I do know that Banks is working on acquiring several new, like the Korean one. I'm trying to remember the other ones off the top of my head. I apologize. I'll make sure we get a list out, and any updates to that list will be made as soon as we get them from Banksa. But yeah, very cool, very simple and seamless. Again, the whole purpose of Bitfineon is to make things very intuitive and very easy. If you guys have any, criticisms of this process, just let me know. I'd be happy to hear them, and anything we can do to improve, we definitely will. So yeah, that's pretty much the wallet dashboard. I know we're working on currency pages, so we're building out custom currency pages here. This is maybe about 60% done. The design is actually, I'm really excited about just all the little design angles that the team has taken and to make things really, aesthetically pleasing. For me, that's one of the biggest things. I think that the most winningest exchanges in the market really are some of the most aesthetically pleasing, and so as well as have very intuitive UI and seamless UXs. I think we've really done a great job in terms of applying those principles to Bitfineon. Again, if you guys have any criticisms or suggestions, let me know. But yeah, this is all you want to trade, you click trade, it'll take you to the exchange page with this pair featured here. And if for all the pairs that we have active, and these aren't all of them, this is just a test net, so all the active Bitcoin pairs will be listed here. You'll be able to scroll through, or you can search. Say you want to trade Alco. Click on there. That'll take you to the Alco page or pair. And yeah, let's see. We're going back to wallet. I think that's pretty much it. Yeah. Share pool. One thing we have done with the share pool is we have instituted an additional layer of kind of protection for anyone who wants to stake in their share pool, right? We want everyone to make sure that they're fully aware of what they're committing their coins to when they stake in the share pool. Because remember, if you've watched any of the other videos, when you stake in the share pool, it's for that term. You cannot unlock your coins. We do that because we want to add additional incentives into the tiers, and we can only make sure that they're not abused if we lock in these tiers to the full term. So 14 days, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, whichever you want. If you do 6 months, you're going to get some pretty attractive discounts on your trading fees. So that's going to be the most incentivized tier. Additionally, you'll get the full 50% allocation of your portion of the fee rewards if you go 6 months. It's a lesser amount for 3 months, for 1 month, and 14 months, right? So the people that take on the longer terms get the most rewards. Pretty much that simple. But for the protection, say you want to stake 500 coins, right? Before we had the submit button where you would just click submit or pop up a modal and you hit confirm. We were talking with our legal team. We just want to make sure again that we're not providing any, liability for anyone. We want to make sure that those people are 100% committed to staking the share pool. So now you have to click this button, right? The agree with terms and service. It's a force scrollable pop-up, and then once you read all of the terms, or right, at least scroll, click excuse me, click accept, and the submit button is now activated. Click submit. You're going to be asked one more time to verify everything, the term, the amount. Click submit, and your stake has been successfully added to the share pool, right? So let's see here. You can see all of the current stakes. I thought maybe we had a past stake, but it looks like maybe I cleared them out for this account. But yeah, once everything's active and the projected ROI section where you see the Bitfineon bull loading, when the share pool is active and the exchange is going, you're going to see like a graphical display of the payouts. Your total payout for your stake term in the current stake section will be live and active, and again, rewards are paid out daily. Positions. Positions is pretty much the same. We're working on getting that market close button added and a social share feature button added. So the market close button just allows you to close out the market position or the position at a market price, and the social share will allow you to share any positions you have, whether it's an open current position or a closed position, to social media. You want to share kind of for educational purposes or clout, bragging, whatever. You'll be able to do that. Click a button, click the Twitter icon. When it's activated, you'll be able to share directly. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. We're really close. A lot of the stuff we're doing now is just QA, final touches. We've been working on getting, final things together like submit ticket things here. Some of this isn't 100% active yet. Crypto Mood widget for news. Looks like maybe we're experiencing a slight bug there we need to fix. Account verification security. So I've enabled 2FA on my account. This is just kind of how it looks. API. This section is going through some updates. And legal needs to be formatted. This is all placeholder text still. Legal is finishing up all that. And then, yeah, just a few things left. You can see we still have some lorem ipsum text here for promotional programs. We're still ironing out those promotional program details. I imagine they'll be done and reviewable for the next developer vlog. But yeah, that's where we are. I'm going to go ahead and end the video now. It did go a little bit longer than I anticipated. It seems like we always have a little bit more to showcase than I anticipate. I guess that's a great thing. Again, guys, I hope everyone's staying safe, staying healthy, and talk to you soon.